Come and vibe, if you ready, let's ride. We about to kick it with Bill, the Harley guy. Steady revving up the engine, steady lane switching, and he's gonna break it down, so you gotta pay attention. Who you with? Bill, the Harley guy. Hey, who you with? Bill, the Harley guy. Yeah, it's about to be legendary. We gon' have a good time. Tune in and make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. Bill, the Harley guy. Yeah.
Alright, so anyway, this is going to be part 1 to my teardown, and I'm thinking I want to go ahead and pull the battery, pull the gas tank, and go ahead and get these front and rear fenders out of the way. That way I got something, you know, to go on from there. I want to get rid of this fuse box, get that taken care of, and go from there. I only got a little bit of time before I have to go to work, so I'm going to do what I can now before I have to go shower, get dressed, you know, do all that good shit. So anyway, the first thing I'm going to do is try to get this battery out of here. Let's get the seat off first. See, gone. Put it in the box. Alright. Now, let's get rid of that battery. Alright. Oops, small one. There we go. Alright. Screw back in. I don't lose it. Sometimes these batteries can be a little tricky, depending on what bike you got. Some can be a pain in the ass. Come on, you can do it. Alright, I'm gonna remove this zip tie so I can get the wiring out of the way. So I can move that battery around a little more. There. This is all the wiring for the fuse box. Alright. Now, let's see what I can do here. There we go. Got it. Like I said, it can be a pain in the ass. So now I gotta go. Let's see if I can do it. I don't have much room, but I can get it. That fucking ground wire ain't long enough, I swear. Alright. Come on, let's go. Alright. Screw back in the battery so I don't lose it. So put this on the shelf with the other batteries. Alright, so one thing out of the way. Okay. Alright, let's see if I get it. Get rid of the battery tray. Oh. Alright, so get that in there. Now the little leftover. Let's see what we got. So I can get one of these little guys to fit. So I'm not sure what size I'm dealing with. Okay, my battery died on my other camera, which is this camera right here. I just bought it not too long ago, actually the other day, from Walmart. $99. It's a Vivitar Pro 4K. 99 bucks. The battery just died in it. I didn't know it until just now. So I got the battery out, tank off, front fender off. We're working on the rear fender now. And I didn't know where, I won't know when the battery died on the other camera. I'll figure it out, I'm sure. I'm pretty sure you guys will figure it out too, because I'll be the one editing. So, anyway. Back to stripping this thing down. Alright. Now, let's get this rear fender off, shall we? Ooh. I had to pull up my underwear. They were falling off my ass. Alright. Where's my shit, man? Alright. I gotta look for a 1/2 inch. Okie dokie. Oh. Okay. Yeah. 1/2 inch it is. Alright. I wonder if I can use a shovel on that. Nope. Which is okay, because I got the wrench. Well, tell me, the inside is 7/16. I'll be damned. Who would have fucking known that? Oh, that's a 10 and a 12. Don't need that. my phone, got the time. Ooh. I gotta cut this short. It's time for me to go shower. This is going to be the end of part 1 of the teardown. I'm on limited time right now. I gotta be at work here shortly. So this is all I can do right now, and I'll get back on it in the morning. I'll start at part 2. Alright. Recap. I took the battery out. I took the battery tray out. Took the gas tank off. Took the fender off, front fender. And I'll be removing the rear fender in the morning. Once I had a couple of cups of coffee in me. Then tomorrow, after I get the rear fender off, then I'm going to pull the pipes. I'm going to pull the pipes off. I'm going to pull the carburetor off. And then oil tank's coming off. Then I'm going to be taking the belt guard off. And go from there. And I will be checking out, yeah, I'll be taking off the fucking, this shit, coil. Yeah, those fucking wires are fucking old as fucking dirt. Definitely getting an upgrade. It's getting a new coil because I'm going to get, I'm going to put in a single fire ignition as soon as I get it, you know, whenever I get it put back together. So anyway, I hate them fucking spam callers, suspecting spam. That shit sucks. Anyway, if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for future notifications. Videos coming soon. Have a good day. Be safe.